Hi guys, it's Asma. Today we are drawing a cute furry pink cat. To begin, we will sketch the basic shape of the cat using highlighted marker. With careful attention to the proportions, we will then add details to the face, such as eyes, nose, and mouth. And fur. We will aim to capture its texture and fullness. I want to tell you something. Drawing is a skill that can be enhanced and perfected with practice. So, we will guide you through the process of creating a delightful feline character that will melt your heart. First, we will start with the basics, drawings, outlines, and shaping the cat's body. We will have move on the fur, eyes, and other. Once the outline is complete, we begin added colors to our pink furry cat. Choosing the right shade of the pink, and we will select a soft pastel pink to complement the. with the precision, care, and creativity. We will transform a blank canvas into a masterpiece that will showcase our artistic flair. Not only will this be a fun and engaging activity, but it also helps us sharpen our visualization, focus, and concentration skills. So, a cute pink cat may seem like a daunting task, but with the simple steps mentioned above, it can be a fun and delightful experience. Just remember to take your time, stay patient, and cuteness of the cat. Finally, we will add some final detail to the drawing, such as whiskers and a collar. To finish the character, the result will be a beautiful, realistic, and cute pink furry cat that can be admired by many.